beautiful looking spacious living area. That nice big kitchenette area has been provided over here. Master bedroom that's been given over here. A nice hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we are here at Lodha Corinthia by Lodha Developers, which is located at Bhandup West. Well, we are going to do this project sample flat tour. Regarding the project, we are going to know a lot in detail. But first, let us know what is Housey. Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects the customers with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. That means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms wherein if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers. And what's the result? You get a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that Housey is one such real estate platform wherein the listing is done directly by the developer. So do not go here and there. Book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. And if you want to see more videos of this location, more project videos, you can quickly go and click on the I button. Now let's talk about the project overview. So Lodha Corinthia by Lodha Developers is going to be constructed on 7 acres of land parcel. This is the actual model that's been given over here. So this is the 7 acres of land parcel, out of which 4.5 acres is going to be green open spaces. And there will be 6 towers. 3 towers have already been launched and 3 towers will be launching at a later time, and they are going to be of ground plus 44 stories. This is how the actual tower is going to be, and it is inspired by a Greek theme. All premium residences are going to be over here, 4 flats on each floor, and you can see very nice looking balconies also are going to be there in each flat. So yes, this is how the actual flat is going to look like, and up there will be penthouses as well, so that's really great. And the tower will be something like ground plus 4 podium plus 1. The 5th podium is going to be of the amenities part, which is this one, and above that there will be all the residential floors of 2 bhk, 2.5 bhk and 3 bhk premium residences. Let's quickly have a look at the amenities part. So these are the amenities that are going to be provided: kids play area, senior citizen area, as well as a grand clubhouse that's been given over here. Clubhouse, swimming pool, gymnasium, a cricket pitch ground of 0.25 acres. Let's quickly come. I'm going to show you the cricket pitch ground. So this ground here is going to be a separate 0.525 acres of cricket pitch ground, and later this can also be converted into an amphitheater or a lawn as well. Here you can see on the right, a Ganesha temple has also been given over here, and a huge forestation of 2 acres is going to be provided on the podium as well. And you can see there are these jogging tracks as well as gymnasium, swimming pool, cafeteria, and many more wonderful amenities that have been given over here. So there are going to be 50 plus wonderful amenities in total. Now talking about the location and connectivity, so let me tell you that this location is bang on the LBS mark. LBS mark is just 100 to 200 meters walking from the actual gate. So yes, from here the railway station, that is Bhandup railway station, is just 800 meters distance. Then upcoming metro station is going to be just 3 to 4 minutes walking distance, as well as when we talk about the Eastern Express Highway, so you can connect to the Eastern Express Highway in just 10 minutes. Then you can also connect towards JDLR Bhavai or towards Thane in just an easy connectivity. When we talk about healthcare facilities, schools, colleges, everything you will get at an easy connectivity and just within a few meters and kilometers away. So right now we are heading towards the 3 BHK sample flat of Lodha Corinthia by Lodha Developers, which is located at Bhandup West, and this is a 1045 square feet carpet area. So without any delay, let's get inside. So as we enter, this is a beautiful looking spacious living area that's been given over here. This is your dining area. This is your seating area, and as you can see, the video door phones have also been provided for your safety. And the tiling that has been given is of Italian marbles in the living room as well as the passage. So yes, it makes the house look even more grand and luxurious, giving the luxurious touch to it. So yes, this is a beautiful looking living room, a very spacious living room is what I would say. Now let's go and see the cherry on the cake. Wow, isn't this beautiful, the cherry on the cake? That is the nice, beautiful wide balcony that's been given. A wooden flooring has been provided as well, and especially if you're on the higher floor, that is above 20th floor, this is the beautiful view that you can enjoy from the 20th floor. So yes, this is about the balcony. This is the living room. Let's quickly go and see the remaining rooms. Let's first go and see bedroom number 1, which is this side. Let's quickly go. A very nice, beautiful, elegant looking bedroom number 1 has been provided over here. Ample size for your queen size bed to be fitted over here. Half front sliding windows have been provided. And it comes with an attached washroom. Let's go and see the washroom. Anti-skid tiles have been given, high-end sanitary fittings have been provided, as well as a window for your ventilation, and a nice big spacious washroom has been provided. Now let's quickly go and see the remaining part of the home. So yes, as we go ahead, let me also tell you that the builder is going to provide you air conditioners in all the bedrooms. As we go ahead, this is a small passage area between all the rooms that has been given. That is room number 2 and 3. Here comes the kitchenette area. Wow, such a nice big kitchenette area has been provided over here, with stainless steel sink as well as granite platforms. Two-sided kitchenette area has been provided. Ample space for you to move around, as well as the refrigerator that's been given. Ample space for your refrigerator. Two-door refrigerator can easily fit in over here. And here comes your dry passage area. So yes, there is ample space for your utilities to be stored over here. So that's also really great, as well as a stainless steel sink has been given here as well. So that's great. Let me tell you that in the remaining part of the home, there will be marble flooring that is going to be provided. Now let's get ahead. In opposite to the kitchenette area, we have the common washroom. A nice big spacious common washroom has been provided with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. So before we go ahead, there is a window here as well for your ventilation. Right now it's not opening, but yes, there is going to be a window here for your cross ventilation as well. Let's quickly go and see the bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 2, a nice, beautiful, elegant looking bedroom number 2, quite spacious, I would say. Half front sliding windows have been provided over here, so that's really great. Ample space for your wardrobe as well over there. So yes, this is how beautifully it has been designed. ऐसे ही beautifully आप भी design कर सकते हो अपना bedroom and apna ghar. Now let's quickly go and see the bedroom number 3, which is the master bedroom. But before that, do you know what does Housey actually do for you? Well, let me tell you that Housey mein aapko milti hai actual location tour. We also give you the sample flat tour as well. We let you know the pros and cons of every project. We give you all-inclusive pricing, inclusive of EMI and down payment details. And we also give you 360 degrees virtual project tour. And if after all of this, if you like the project, if you like the flat, then in 3 simple clicks, you can go and do your free site visit book. So what are you waiting for? Quickly go, click on the link mentioned in the description and book your free site visit right now. And now let's quickly head to the master bedroom. As we enter, this is the passage area that's been given over here. This is the washroom that's been given over here. Attached washroom that comes with your master bedroom. A nice spacious washroom has been provided. And here comes the beautifully spacious master bedroom that's been given over here. A nice big spacious bedroom is what I would say. A king size bed can easily fit in over here. Half front sliding windows have been provided, as well as ample space for your wardrobe has been given over here. So that's really great. And you can also make a window here for your cross ventilation. So yes, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Lodha Corinthia by Lodha Developers, which is located at Bhandup West. How did you like this flat tour? Let us know in the comment section. If you need details about this project, if you want to download the e-brochure, you can just go and click on the link mentioned in the description. If you need details about this project or you want to inquire for any other project, you can just go and register yourself on housey.com. Also, we would like to ask you, have you purchased any flat, any property from the Lodha Developers? Let us know in the comment section what is your feedback on the same, because your feedback is very important for us and our viewers as well. And also, before going, we would like to tell you, ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे like करें, share करें with your family and friends who are looking out to purchase properties. एंड हमारे चैनल हाउसी को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। मैं आपसे मिलूंगी अगले वीडियो में। Until then, bye bye and take care.
Site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.